Hello students, welcome to today's English class. Today we are going to learn the lesson The Grateful Tenant, written by Mrs. Sudha Murthy. Before that, we will learn about Sudha Murthy. Sudha Murthy was born on 19th August 1950 at Shigao in Haveri. She was the first lady to do engineering in BVB College of Engineering and Technology. She was a rank holder and she received gold medal also. And she was only one lady in that college in her batch to study engineering. She was also the first female engineer to work at Tata Engineering and Locomotive Company, which is known as Telco. In 1996, she started Infosys, and till now it is one of the best companies in India. She also taught at Christ University, and she has written and published many books. And out of that books, one story is of this. And out of that books, this lesson is chosen. Her books are so inspiring. Sudha Murthy's books are so inspiring, and she has mostly she has written in few of her books her life story, means her own experiences, what she had faced in her life, and what all she learned from other people, and how humanity is still on earth and all. And she has written books for children also. Some of them are Grandma's Bags of Stories, The Magic of the Lost Temple, How I Taught My Grandma to Read, and other stories, etc. There are so many books written by Sudha Murthy. If you get a chance, children, please don't miss to read Sudha Murthy's books. It is very easy to read also, and you get inspired by her, what she has written. So shall we start through the lesson? Okay. So before that, tell me students, can you name some people whom would you love to remember all through your life? This lesson is about a boy who was truly affected by two persons in his life, and what he made to remember them always in his life is in this lesson. So shall we start? Open page number 31 in your book and we shall start. Lesson number 3, The Grateful Tenant. A settled home life gives everyone a chance to shine. Read how one man remembers with affection the help that an elderly couple gave him when he was a penniless student. I went for morning walks every day. I enjoyed the stroll because of the scented breeze that flew. I went for morning walks every day. I enjoyed the stroll because of the scented breeze that blew from nearby gardens, and also the mild warmth of the early sun. On one such day, I noticed a plaque on the wall near the gate entrance. It had the name of the house, Sham Kamal, engraved on polished black granite. I asked Ramesh why he had chosen this name for his home. It is a combination of the names of the two people who changed my life, the ones I remember and thank each day, said Ramesh. Sham Kamal stands for Shamarao and Kamala. Do you remember when I was in Dharwad, I used to stay with an old couple, and I remember there was an elderly couple in Dharwad who used to rent out their outhouse to college students. Ramesh had stayed there for 6 years. Students, in this lesson, we come to know there was a boy named Ramesh, there was a man named Ramesh, and this lesson is narrated by Sudha Murthy herself. She is only telling what she experienced in her life. and she says that she used to go for walking every day, and she used to like to go because she would like the scented breeze of the blew nearby from the gardens, and she liked the early sun. Early in the morning the sun rays are not so harsh, it is very mild, so she used to like to go on a walk during early in the morning. One day when she was going by, she noticed a plaque, means a name board on the wall near the gate entrance of a person's house, and that was Ramesh house. It was named as Sham Kamal. But Sudhamurti knew Ramesh very well, and she knew that it was not her parents' name or her any family member's name, Sham Kamal. Sudhamurti goes and she asks Ramesh why she has chosen this name for his house, and he says that it is a combination of two names who changed his life, and he says that he wants to remember them lifelong, and he wants to thank them every day, and he doesn't want to forget them in his life. And he says Sham Kamal stands for Sham Rao and Kamala, means he says that these two names are Sham Rao and Kamala, but he has named it as Sham Kamal. And he asked Sudhamurti that does she remember that he used to stay in Dharwad with an old couple. And she started to remember that in Dharwad there was a couple who used to rent their outhouse, means normally in old ages there used to be houses, and beside there would be a outhouse, means normally whenever guests would come or any servants would stay in that place. So in that outhouse they used to give rent for college students, and there Ramesh had stayed for 6 years. This is about what happened when Sudhamurti went for a walk, and she asked Ramesh why he has kept the name Sham Kamal to his house. And remaining part we shall continue in the next class. Thank you.